Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl here, Echo Jennifer, and on this channel I bring to you lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and travels. So in today's video it's going to be a tutorial on how to make a spring twist for your hair. So I'll be using this attachment to make the spring twist. If you're looking for something on a budget for the Christmas celebration, you can make your own spring twist. So I have this attachment here. I'll cut it and then I'll pick it so that this bluntness will not be there. I don't want it blunt because when it's blunt, it will be difficult for me to use. So I'll be picking the hair. So I'm going to cut it now. In this tutorial, I'll be needing an attachment like this, and then I'll be using this chopstick I got from the mall. Others use a straw. Since I couldn't get a straw, the next best thing was this chopstick I thought of. It's going to do too. And you also be needing a rubber band so that I can use it to hold both ends of the attachment after I've finished twisting it onto the chopstick. If not, it won't sit in place. So I'll cut it in the middle. I think I'll need to reduce it so that I can get a longer one. So I'll be picking this and then we'll now continue. So this is how you pick it. So as not to bore you guys, I'll just do this off camera. And I just finished picking it, and this is how it is. Okay, so this is where the rubber band comes in so that you can secure it onto the stick. When you are twisting it, make sure you are also twisting the attachment also before you take it around the chopstick.
Oh, the chopstick.
And notice that you can also try to see if you'll be able to turn it around. If you want your twist to be very bouncy, you need to make it close to each other. Tight it, let it be very close to each other. When you're finding it difficult to do, I think you can also try to do it this way, but make sure that you are twisting the attachments at the same time.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
If not, it's not gonna come out well. This. See where I twist and stop, it starts changing the shape. If you want your twist to be longer, then your attachments, the cutting should be longer too, because this one is not going to be this too long. I'm actually using it on Serene's hair, so I don't want it too long. Difficult than I thought it was going to be. So for you to secure it, you roll it onto this, because I noticed that just using the rubber band alone is not enough. The rubber bands usually comes up once you put it in hot water.
Hot water?
Try to see if I can secure it before I
Just keep here.
start this.
Huh? Why?
It's a risk, because I noticed that just using the rubber band alone is not enough. The rubber bands usually comes up once you put it in hot water.
Hot water.
So for it not to unravel, you bring back the little piece that was remaining to the one that you've already done. That way it stays in place. Actually, these rubber bands can cut. Like when I tried it yesterday, the hot water, immediately I poured the hot water onto it, it cut. So but since I used the remaining parts back onto the main twist, it did not unravel itself. You see? So guys, I dipped them in hot water. Now I'm removing them. All the rubber bands have snapped off and they are unraveling bit by bit. But luckily at the tip, since I wrapped it around multiple times, it didn't unravel. So now I'm going to do a little bit of styling mousse. So I'm using Renee styling mousse for extra hold. Afterwards, when they dry off, I'm going to spray with oil so as to give it shine. So I'm going to leave it out to dry, then in the morning I'll unravel them for us to see what we got. This is what we have after drying it. This is how it came out. So now I'm going to spray it with oil so that it will add some sheen to it. This spray bottle is not working. I'll just use, then we'll now unravel it. This is just normal oil. It's actually olive oil. I couldn't get sheen spray here. All their spray here, it's kind of stronghold. It's not sheen. It's not oil spray. So it's very difficult for me to get oil spray here. That's why I'm using this. I've tried several times to get a hairspray, sheen hairspray. At the end of the day, when I receive my order, it will not be what I'm looking for and I'll have to return them. At a point I even returned the hairspray to the wrong shop and they refused to refund my money because I had returned it to the wrong address. I don't know. I think here they prefer to go for a gel spray that would make their hair to stand the way they comb it. They want it to be, not oil. Almost all their hair products here doesn't have like oil. It's more like gel stronghold kind of thing. So now let's unravel this. This thing is smooth enough for me to be able to like drag it out of the chopstick, so it's much easier. Wow, this came out right. I love how it turned out. So I've got my spring twist here. I'm going to be using this to make Serene's hair for Christmas. Her hair is actually a bit difficult to maintain because she likes touching her hair every time. So when I make her hair, it doesn't last more than a day. So I'll need to retouch it every morning if we have to go out. So I want something that I don't have to stress myself during the holiday. After making it, I'll just cover her hair overnight while she sleeps. Then the next day, I might just use oil on it to shine, and then maybe if her edges are rough, I'll just slick it down. So this would come in really handy because this way it wouldn't be her natural hair that I'm worried about. It would be like a protective styling for her because I mat it underneath. I use this to cover it, so to be much more easier. So guys, what do you think about this? See how bouncy they are. If I want, I could change it and unravel this into two. Let's see how it is. So soft. Wow, another way. Actually came out so lovely. It's okay. When I'm making the hair, more ideas will come to me. I've not decided exactly what to do yet, but at least I have something to work with. So smooth. I love. When it's like this, you can just use scissors to get rid of the excess. So guys, here is our final outcome. What do you think about this? Would you like to give it a try? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. How bouncy it is and shiny. Did I do justice to this? Please leave your comments. Let me hear your thoughts. Would you like to rock this? I love. So guys, I got 3 dozens from this. Complete the rest later and use it on her hair. But this is 12 pieces here. If you want, you can do this, package them and gift them to somebody as a Christmas present. Or you can do this and sell them. This can be a business idea for you. Alright, see you guys in another video and Merry Christmas to you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.